Another day, another story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of dropshipping, you've probably realized that choosing the right products is absolutely key to your success. Today, we're going to break down the process of determining what products to sell through dropshipping. Stick around because we've got some hacks and tips to make this crucial step a whole lot easier. But before we jump in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the latest tips on business, entrepreneurship, and more. Let's get started. Point 1. Demand check. The first step in choosing the right products for your dropshipping business is to ensure there's a demand for them in your target market. Now, how do you do that? Easy. Start by scouring reviews on platforms like Amazon to gauge customer interest and satisfaction. Check out reviews on other sites like Google Shopping or AliExpress as well. And don't forget to dive into social media comments about the product. This will give you valuable insights into what potential customers are saying and help you identify trends. Point 2. Sourcing and shipping. Once you've identified products with demand, the next step is to make sure they are easy to source and ship. Remember, you don't want to spend your days tracking down suppliers and dealing with shipping logistics. Look for products that have reliable suppliers and straightforward shipping processes. This will save you time and headaches down the road, ensuring a smoother operation for your dropshipping business. Point 3. Profit margins. Now let's talk money. Consider what kind of profit margin you want on each item. If you're aiming for higher margins, consider selling higher priced items instead of low-cost ones. This doesn't mean you have to sell luxury goods, but finding a balance between cost, quality, and perceived value is key. Understanding your desired profit margin will guide your product selection and pricing strategy. Conclusion. So there you have it, folks. Choosing the right products for your dropshipping venture doesn't have to be a headache. Just remember to check for demand, ensure easy sourcing and shipping, and carefully consider your profit margins. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow entrepreneurs. And of course, save this post for later reference. If you have any questions or want more dropshipping tips, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to use those hashtags #NewBusiness Dropshipping #Sage Business Growth to connect with the community. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy dropshipping. For more tips and freebies, go to billycolberusa.com. Thanks for watching.